fun was so much. That was a very nice long holiday. Anyway, time for the Thanksgiving specials. The Thanksgiving is over. Wait, what? Who are you guys? Oh my god. Who are you guys? Oh, hey, CGP. Oh, hey, CGP. I am Steve. Okay. So you're here for the Thanksgiving special? Yeah. Sorry I was a little late. Who's over there? Oh, that's just Mario. Shadow Mario. Hey, Shadow Mario. Oh, yeah, that's right, you can't talk. Ugh. This thing I hate about shadows, they can't talk. Is there a shadow you? No. Not sure I could think about it. Oh, well. Maybe we'll find it soon. Anyway, so I accidentally came here. I thought I was looking for my sword here. Your sword? Yeah. You see, I had a diamond sword, an enchanted diamond sword. It was so good, but I lost it. I don't know where it's at. Well, I don't have it. Did you ask Shadow Mario? Yeah. He said he hasn't seen it either. So, that, that's it? This is a Thanksgiving special? Yeah, basically. Well, we can't just interview yourself right here. You gotta make it fun. How? I don't know. We could just play a game, okay? Okay, let's go. Ugh. Okay. So, yeah. So, who's gonna get to play first? Oh, here's the controller. But where's the TV? Let's pretend that there's a big TV. We're about to play Smosh, okay? Sounds fair to me. Okay, so I'm gonna be, Kirby. Well, okay, fine. I guess we'll take turns. Yeah, I'm gonna smash him. Smash everyone. I gotta take that. My cutter. There, and stone. Ability. All that stuff. Oh, did you hear that in Smash you were added? You were added to Smash. Yeah, I know. I'm lately. I decided to take a break. Okay. And so, Shadow Mario. That right? Yeah. Yeah. He won't talk. He's shy. Okay, so. Oh, yeah, that's right. My game. I had to pause it. Ugh. Come on. Yes, I won. Your turn. Okay. You guys are. Oh, be the best gamer. Oh, yes. I'm gonna be Mario. Yeah, YouTuber's not here though, but yeah, I'm gonna play. Yeah. Oh, yes, take the fireballs. Hit the punch. Yes. Come on. Yes, there, he falls off the stage. Oh, come on. Yes. Yes, come on. Yes, come on. Yes, yes, he fell down the stage. You walked off the stage. But I won, hooray! Yeah, that was a fun Thanksgiving special. Yeah, that was pretty good. Now, where's the food? Food? What food? This is a Thanksgiving special. Where's the food? We forgot. Wait, what? You forgot? How could you forget? It's food. That's what all Thanksgiving is about. Food. That's one of the main things, actually. And the other one is being with family and friends. But I sadly don't have much really of a family. But I have a lot of friends. Good friends. So, yeah. So, what do we do? I don't know. Oh. I guess we could just wait. What's that over there? Yo, you guys, I just found a Rubik's Cube bandit. It looks old. Not that smart. Yeah, I can't solve this. Screw this. Ugh. Okay, so, do you have any food on you? Let me check my inventory. Nothing. I don't have anything. Well, I have this diamond armor. Hold on, let me take off my helmet. There we go. I took off my helmet. Oh, okay. So, what do we do? What do you mean, what do we do? It's a Thanksgiving special. Well, I mean, I guess we could give our act of thanks. Oh, okay. Let's get on to that. Okay. So what I'm thankful for is being with all my friends and with all the subscriber specials. I'm very happy. I'm also happy that 2020 is about to end. No more coronavirus. But what I'm unhappy about is Adobe Flash Player is going to be gone for good. I hope they make something better, something kind of like it. I'm gonna miss that website. Well, it allows me to play games and stuff. So, yeah. Okay, Steve, your turn. Alright, what I'm thankful for is, being here with all my friends, CGP, Shadow Mario, and, yeah. I'm also thankful that I made it here from my dimension. Yeah, from the micro dimension. Yeah. So, yeah, I'm thankful for that. Thank you, guys. Shadow Mario, your turn. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna help you translate. So, Shadow Mario says he is thankful for being here. He's so glad that the others are safe while they are not here at my house. But yeah, he is glad that everyone is happy. He is also thankful for all the food, well, even though if there's no food. And yeah, that's all. Yeah, he says that's all. Okay, yeah. Oh. Okay, so I think that could be it. Well, the Thanksgiving special. Yeah. Oh, you got your diamond helmet back on, right? Yeah. So yeah. So I'm gonna be doing some more gaming videos. I'm gonna be doing a Kirby Superstar series. Then after that, a Kirby Nightmare in Dreamland. Then be playing some more Minecraft Wii U or some Mario Maker. Yeah, we'll be doing some more Roblox and slideshows. Much more fun coming up. I made some more slideshows while I was away. So yeah. So yeah. So glad I could be in this video. Yeah, so okay, now get out of the camera. Ugh. Okay, fine, yeah. I have to go back to my dimension. I have to go see Alex. We're gonna make another house. Yeah. Let's just call me. But you don't have a phone. Yeah, there's phones in Minecraft. There's a mod for that. Okay. So yeah, Alex just texted me and I gotta go. Yeah, and also get late. There could be a creeper. There could be zombies, skeletons, spiders. Yeah, all that stuff. If you play Minecraft, you know what that is. If you don't, well, then you have to learn. Yeah. Oh, there was a text. Fortnite game said that Minecraft is for babies. Those mortals have no clue what who they're messing with. Their game has gone down lately, and it's going to be shut down in 2021. Wait, what? Really? Yeah, it should be. It was going to shut down 2018. Yeah, but the only thing they've been doing is well, taking away upgrades and stuff. And they've been removing weapons. It's no longer for Apple, and yeah. So yeah, I gotta go now. I might sue Fortnite. Speaking of which, Fortnite sued Ninja, the Teener Boy, and some other stuff. Not to itself for being as addictive as cocaine. So yeah, I gotta go make a house now. Bye, for reals. Okay, so well, there's Steve. Shadow Mario, do you have anything to say while you go? You do? Wait, how's it like back in the mirror world? The same? Yeah, nothing really. Nothing much special. Oh, there's food. No, but there's not much. Okay, so yeah, Christmas is getting really close. So excited, I might be introducing Marx. Marx from the Kirby series. He could be joining. Okay, so yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please enjoy. Like and subscribe and share. ring that notification bell, push all. I will be seeing you guys all next time. Bye. Thanksgiving.